Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, Arjun main battle tank is superior to Russian T20 T90 tanks. In an exclusive interview with Uday India, Dr. Samir V. Kama, chairman of DRDO, shed light on the remarkable performance of India's indigenous Arjun main battle tank in comparison to the Russian developed T90 MBTs. Dr. Kamat's insights underscore the untapped potential of the Arjun MBT and the challenges it faces due to limited orders. Next, exploring used ERJ-145 for Netra Mk1A program. The Indian Air Force is embarking on a search for used ERJ-145 aircraft, a prior generation of Embraer regional jets, to bolster its Netra Mk1A airborne early warning and control system program. This decision comes despite the fact that Brazilian aircraft manufacturer Embraer SA ceased production of this specific aircraft type in 2020. Next, Defense Ministry inaugurates Bharat Drone Shakti 2023 exhibition. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has inaugurated the Bharat Drone Shakti 2023 exhibition at Hindon in Ghaziabad district of Uttar Pradesh. During this event, the minister formally inducted the C-295 transport aircraft into the Indian Air Force with top military officials, including IAF Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary in attendance. Next, NIA releases list of 19 fugitive Khalistani terrorists. The NIA, that is National Investigation Agency, has taken a significant step in its ongoing efforts to combat terrorism by releasing a list of 19 fugitive Khalistani terrorists residing in various countries, include the UK, US, Canada, Dubai, Pakistan and others. The NIA aims to confiscate their properties under the anti-terror law due to their involvement in running anti-India propaganda from abroad. Next, ISRO continues efforts to revive Chandrayaan 3's Vikram lander and Pragyan rover. ISRO remains steadfast in its efforts to re-establish contact with the Vikram lander and Pragyan rover of the Chandrayaan 3 mission. Despite uncertainties, ISRO scientists are determined to continue their attempts until the next lunar sunset on October 6th. Next, Taiwan expects to deploy 2 new submarines by 2027. Taiwan hopes to deploy at least 2 new domestically developed submarines by 2027 and possibly equip later models with missiles to strengthen deterrence against the Chinese Navy and protect key supply lines, the head of the program said. Next, seeking more weapons from India. The Philippines should start boosting its own defense industry amid rising external threats in the region, according to security analysis, who said it could learn from India's growing naval power. India, which also confronts an increasingly diligent China, has been trying to boost its domestic defense production, which had been stalled several times. Next, India and US launched 19th edition of Yudh Abhyas, joint military exercise in Alaska. In a demonstration of their deepening strategic partnership, the armed forces of India and the United States have embarked on the 19th edition of the Yudh Abhyas joint military exercise in Alaska. This 2-week exercise is part of ongoing efforts to enhance cooperation and interoperability between the two countries' armed forces, marking another milestone in their growing defense collaboration. Thanks.